How's everybody doing? Got called out on this Audi Q7. Customer complaint is that there's a clunking sound that comes from the left front of the vehicle. There's squeaking sounds that I've heard while driving it, brake system, and also one thing that I noticed as I was shifting the tires, that the control arm bushings, the upper ones on this side, you take a look, when I move the wheel, actually it's the opposite way, you'll see that bushing just comes apart right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's just coming apart. Let me zoom in a little for you guys. There it is. So I believe there's a source, because as soon as you accelerate, there's going to be a slight torque pulling back, and that control arm is definitely going to shift, causing slight noise or clunking sound. This one on this side, there's a slight tear on it as well. I'm going to recommend the customer do both upper control arms, and they're the same on both sides of the vehicle. So far the brakes look good. I don't see any issues other than the squeaking sound. But I'm going to continue with the front brake and suspension inspection and see what else I can find. All right, so as we continue diagnosing this Audi Q7, the brakes look good. Pads, if you guys can see, they're nice and thick. Looking inside, the drive shafts, they're fine. There's no issues, no excessive play. The inside as well over here, nothing wrong with these boots, they're nice. The control arm, the bottom bushings look good. So I believe, based on shifting and turning everything, the inner and outer control arms do not have excessive play. The bearings themselves on the shafts, they're fine. And like I said, the only thing that I see is just these upper control arms. The bushings are really bad. I believe that upon slight acceleration, this is what's causing their noise coming from the left front. They say it's more pronounced on the left front, so I believe this is where everything's coming from. So I'm gonna recommend the customer replace both upper control arms on both sides, since the other side is damaged as well. All right, thank you for joining me. Till the next one, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. If there's something else I should have checked, let me know. All right, you guys have a good one.